In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 1098-T on TaxSlayer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Federal and then Quick File, so the first tab. Now, in case you don't see this yet, it means you haven't yet put in your basic info. So whenever you start your tax return, you first have to put in the basic information, such as like your name, address, stuff like that. And whenever you're done with that part, you can go ahead and continue to Federal, which is going to pop up. And this is going to be the first screen you'll be able to see over here. Just click on the Continue button at the bottom right. And then in here, you want to search for your form. So here, I'm just going to type in 1098-T. It's going to pop it up, click on the plus button, and then from here, you want to click on Continue. Then you want to press Continue again. And it's going to take you in here to where you can basically go ahead and kind of change this. So you can select a student. I'm just going to select myself here, and I'm going to click on Continue. And then from here, it's going to say, do you have a 1098-T form? And you can go ahead and fill that in. And whenever you're done with this, you can then go ahead and keep pressing continue, and you'll be able to fill out your form. So 1098-T that way. Okay. So that's basically how you add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.